welcome everyone. We're so, ooh, this is your copy. We're so happy that you came out in the snow. Yesterday I was wearing sandals. I mean, my goodness, who would have known? We have snow on the ground today, but we have some hardcore readers in the house, so we appreciate your presence. My name is Insane Nomo, the owner of Afri-Ware. Welcome, everyone. We're excited today to bring an esteemed author and local author, Stephanie Roseberg, the Big Book of Soul. Sister Bird, I'm so thankful for her work. Maybe you can zoom in on the book. The Big Book of Soul is, I think, a must-have for people looking to reconnect with your inner spirit and with nature. Something that today's society doesn't always encourage us to do by its heavy tech-oriented ways. And Sister Bird will share her personal story about how she's not just green recently from the eco-friendly mania that we hear a lot about, but this is her lifelong practice. Okay, so it's really, really honored that she's here to share with us today. And I'll give you her official introduction. Sister Stephanie Roseberg is cum laude graduate of Temple University with an MFA from the University of California at San Diego. She's taught at the School of the Art Institute of Chicago and is a professional member of the American Folklore Society, the Herb Research Foundation, and the American Botanical Council. And she lives in the Chicago/Oak Park area. So without further ado, I'm going to sit down, but please give a warm welcome to Sister Stephanie Roseberg.